Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the signature specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, there's reverse parking sensors, a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done under 14,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.